In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create snippets in HubSpot. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your HubSpot skills, this guide will walk you through the process of creating snippets, making your workflow more efficient and organized. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open HubSpot and ensure that you are logged into your account. This is your essential starting point, as you're going to be utilizing HubSpot's CRM features. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once logged in, you're greeted with your account's homepage. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll start the process of creating snippets. On your homepage, you'll want to navigate to what's referred to as the trial guide. This section is incredibly valuable as it houses all the resources you need to get your form building process off to a great start. Take a moment to explore this if you'd like, especially if you're new to navigating HubSpot. It acts like a compass, pointing you in the right direction and helping you make the most out of the platform. Now, with your resources in place, it's time to take action. On the homepage, direct your attention to the CRM section. This is your next click, as it leads you to a selection of tools and options designed to enhance your customer relationship management tasks. Among these options, you're going to select Snippets. Click on that, and you'll find yourself in an interface specifically set up for this task. Here comes the creative part. Once you've selected Snippets, you'll need to click on the Create Snippet button. This is where you can begin typing in the details of the snippet you wish to create. Take your time crafting this information, as it's crucial to make your snippet descriptive enough to serve its purpose. The more insightful and detailed your snippet is, the more helpful it will be for you and your team in the future. It's like giving yourself and others a head start whenever you use it. After you've entered all the necessary details and are satisfied with the description and content of your snippet, the final step is to click Create Snippet. This action will save your snippet, making it readily available for use whenever needed within your HubSpot account. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on how to create snippets in HubSpot. By following these steps, not only have you streamlined part of your communication process, but you've also added a nifty tool to your HubSpot toolkit. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and happy snippet creating.